little gymnast. What are you doing?
You want to do it? Yeah, no.
What's the matter?
Can't do that.
Uh-oh. Daddy's teaching you unsafe things?
You have to do this.
Yeah, you might be a little too short, sweetheart.
You chomp off and won't hit you. I do it like this.
That's great. Like a little gymnast. A little ballerina. Point your toes. Woo, good job.
You have to do this, Dad. Definitely.
Definitely.
Do it, Dad. You have to do it like this.
Daddy's too big.
I'm way too tall, Mama.
I'm smaller, do this.
Mm-hmm.
Swing your legs like this.
Yeah, swing your legs like that.
If you get smaller, Dad, you do that.
Mm-hmm.